Andrew, one of the reasons you're my go-to real estate attorney is because you are on the cutting edge of real estate law. And
Appreciate it.
Tell me a little bit about this Asset Protection LLC that I'm so intrigued with.
So I'm looking at the typical vehicle that we always use to hold residential and often commercial real property and closely held businesses as well, and that's the limited liability company, and we've talked about that. Very tax flexible vehicle that allows us what I would say is the maximum of tax flexibility, but also the maximum of limited liability protection as well. So it's good in both realms. And recently what I've seen is there's more of a desire amongst our society to have their assets and their portfolios, whether they be real estate, commercial real estate, etc., be more anonymous. And there are situations where a creditor is trying to come after someone and maybe they would have settled for insurance policy limits under a particular type of claim, but they learn that the person has substantial real estate holdings, be it residential or commercial, and all of a sudden they think, you know what, we want to get more golden eggs out of your basket. We don't just want your insurance money anymore. And so I'm trying to look at something that will help my clients, designing a mechanism where we tailor LLCs in a way that they're designed to hold residential or commercial real property, vacation homes, Airbnbs, second homes, the lake house, etc. And we're removing from them the ties to the client that are easily searchable on state search engines, most commonly Ohio Secretary of State, auditors level, county level, we get tax bills, etc. And what I've noticed is there are a lot of clients that are walking around with A, way too many properties in one LLC, and B, their names on the articles of organization and on their address, their home address on the tax bills for dozens and dozens of real estate investment properties that they own. And it's just a nice way to broadcast to everybody out there that you've got a bunch of money and they shouldn't settle with you if you in any way wrong them.
Right.
And so what I want to do is design and create LLCs, and that's what I'm working towards, where my firm serves as statutory agent, where we look at creative solutions for mailing options and address locations that are going to be on file with state and county agencies, and we try to take people's real estate portfolios and to the extent that we can separate them from their personal identity so that they still have ownership and control and manage day to day. But if somebody goes and tries to figure out what they own, they have a much harder time doing it. And so that's a little bit on what's to come with the Asset Protection LLCs. Excited about it and hope to be launching those this year.
Excellent. Thank you so much. We'll stay tuned.
Thanks.